Hey everyone, I'm Ben from TriDENT PDR and indeed Brand Ambassador to Keco UK. This is just the second episode in a web series that I'm producing to showcase the individual tools from the Keco L2E Glue Pull System and some of the repair processes that we can use these tools for. In episode 1, we took a look at the crease killer setup and just how powerful it was in reducing and removing crease dents from vehicle panels. And in this episode, we're actually going to take a look at a repair process that we call pull to repair. Now, what is pull to repair? Quite simply, it's getting a vehicle from its damaged state to the level of needing just a light skim of filler using the glue pull method. In this video, I'm going to show you how we attacked a specific job using just 3 tools from the Keco system, and we are actually timing this one just to see how quickly we can get to that stage using the pull to repair method. So this job actually had a few factors going against us, which is something that the body repair guys will always be asking us about. So it's also a good job to show you guys and sort of demystify what the Keco set can actually do. Now, initially, when the body shop brought me this job, it was a perfect one to show you all, to sort of just all encompass all these different points. So I'm going to run you through them now quickly before we get into the repair video and just highlight what's actually going on. So this job is actually on an electric vehicle. It's Jaguar E-Pace, and it's also an aluminium panel. Again, as we say, these are 2 factors where the Keco stuff really comes in handy. Negating power downs, working from the outside not to damage E-coats, not to mention showcasing just how strong it is to move that aluminium panel. Stay tuned to the end of this video where we show you the 3 tools we specifically used for this job. Those were the mini lifter, and we used the edge clamps, and we also used the mini bridge as well, just for a tricky little pull on the edge where nothing else would work. We will showcase these tools individually in later episodes, but just to give you a bit of an overview of how you can use multiple tools to achieve these results, this is a fantastic watch, so check this out. So we're looking at the near side rear door of the vehicle. We've got a nasty crease straight through the body line, and not to mention it looks like the metal's been stretched over an internal fixing, and we've got the panel edge has been bent around the double skinned metal. Don't forget, this is an aluminium panel, so there's a crazy amount of strength in it that we need to move, and our mission is just to get this leveled out so the body shop only needs a light skim of filler, and the clock is ticking. So we've got this time-lapse video showing you our process. First job really, restore that body line and straighten the panel edge. This should hopefully remove a lot of tension and bring a lot of damage out with it in the process. After only 45 minutes, let's take a little look at where we're up to. So we can see that body line's back in, which has brought out the majority of that crease, albeit the paint damage, and we've just flattened out that high spot that's been created by an internal fixing. Panel edge is pretty much back in. There's some shallows that, for me, I know I could give that back to the body shop with what they wanted to do with the panel, but I'm just going to keep going a little longer just to flatten that out for them and give them the least amount of work to do when it comes to their prep. So back in just to repeat the process with some more tabs just to bring up that shallow, and that panel edge being aluminium and on the double skin has some serious strength, so we've brought the mini bridge in just to give it a bit more pull. And there we go, another 10 minutes on the clock, bringing us up to 55 minutes, and I'm calling it job done. And that really is a perfect example of a pull to repair. We've got that aluminium panel back to shape in a fairly fast time, and we've left the body shop with very little prep work to do, only a light skim of filler needed, and straight to paint.
Along with that, just another fantastic showcase of how fast and strong the Keco system is at resolving damage. So, just another quick look at the tools used on this job. First of all, we've got the standard mini lifter, along with a selection of tabs and the different foot plates, help reduce most of the damage. And then we've got the G-clamp, which was used to bring the panel edge back in line. And last but not least, the mini bridge, just for that extra strength pull. If you're interested in a demo or training with the Keco L2E system, you can contact us on this number or indeed visit kecotabs.co.uk for all information.
So this job is actually on an... So what is a pull to repair? Quite simply, it's getting from... Now. So what is a pull to repair? Oh. It's easy this, Ben. Stop it. I know you're talking to yourself, so you look like a loon. So what is a pull to repair? Quite simply,